Hey everyone, we have the Dongar Technologies dashcam power adapter. This is a brand new adapter for Honda Accord and Civic vehicles. It's the latest thing offered by Dongar Technologies, and I'm going to show you how to install this product on a brand new 2022 Honda Civic Touring. There's a few things here and there that I'm going to go over, so let's get into it. But before I do, let me just quickly show you what the adapter looks like. Here, I don't know if this is going to help, but this is a 12-pin adapter. And this is going to be a quick plug-and-play solution for your new Honda vehicle. So let me show you how that's done, and let me show you how you're going to need to install this thing real quick. There is a clip right here that we need to depress and pull out. So just put that in. It's just that easy. And this adapter right here is clipped on with a little, what do you want to call that? Like a slidey thingy. This one, you can just slide this guy off like this. Boom, and see this is dangling right here. I'm gonna take my Dongar adapter. I am gonna plug it in like that. Gonna put this in here. I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna slide this in its original place, which is like that. Yep. And here we go. And here we have this. And I'm gonna just plug this into here. And I'm gonna tuck this in. And I am gonna assemble it by putting this plastic shroud back on. Alright, so what we have here is the plastic shroud above the new Honda Civic and Honda Accord. So I just want to give everyone a quick look at what it looks like up close and how you can potentially save your plastic shroud from cracking. So I've already done the due diligence of taking this entire assembly apart. And here we have the controversial piece that snaps in 3 places. So you can see here we have 3 tabs, 1, 2, and well, it's not really a tab, this just kind of slides in, and you can see where the mirror goes into your the slot right there. So here I'm just gonna put this together. Wow, that didn't even make a sound. This is what it's going to look like with your rearview mirror going in this way. And there's not going to be a lot of space up front. So the way you want to do it is you want to just push this down and pull it off this way. So let me do that again. It's going to look like this, looking directly at it. I'm not going to have space up here to just push down and pull it apart. And it's going to be a little bit of a pressure fit here trying to pull this thing apart, but you're going to have to just add a little bit of force and make that happen.